Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today the story which we have in School for Elders is Radhe Devi. So who is Radhe Devi? She is again a Padma Shri awardee, and her efforts have been recognized by Government of India. Yes, my dear friends, she has got married at early age, at the age of only 15. However, she said, I have a flair for draping women in a bridal attire since my childhood. I used to decorate them. So in Manipur, she used to drape all the brides, and she said, I have lost the count how many brides now I have draped. Isn't it such an inspiration, and isn't it such an amazing thing that if Radhe Devi is doing, and she is putting in so much efforts, that her efforts are recognized by Government of India when whole world is suffering from pandemic. She just is focused on her work. She has never thought that, oh my god, now it's pandemic, marriages will not happen, or something like that. She has never she never had such thoughts in her mind. She just is focused on her work and making her brides more beautiful with her work, that is Port Louis. So I will definitely put the link in the description box. You can go through her amazing story, how she has survived, how she has faced all the challenges, and the journey towards Padma Shri. So one more thing I would like to tell you. In her interview, she said that I really want to open such school where I can pass on this particular knowledge to my disciples. So yes, my dear friends, so many elders are having so many dreams which we only can fulfill, and it's a serving human. It's not only one thing that we should be doing. We can involve our elders also, and we should serve society and humanity for this. I know I know we are definitely gonna do this tribe which we are forming. So I'm sure we will do something for these elders to fulfill their wishes. And yes, it's a very beautiful story of Radhe Devi. So let me know in the comment box how did you like her, and if you have ever got inspired by such stories, just let me know in the comment section. And towards the wellness part, today I've discovered one technique. Okay, yes, which I have been using since childhood, but I have discovered that I feel so good when I do this. Something which you really don't like and which is not serving you anymore, or any disease or anything, just write it down. Don't keep it here. Just write it down and just tear that paper or burn it, or just think that it has gone out from my life. Like you're burning any dead body. When you burn a dead body, you don't go and look back. So you just say that it's a dead body for me. It is of no use for me. So I'm just burning it. I have learnt my lessons, but now it is of no use. So thank you so much. Whatever lessons you have served, I am grateful that you came in my life, because every challenge, as I told you, comes in our life to teach us something, to make us more stronger, right? So accept it happily. But if it is bothering you after teaching the lesson also, it will come again and again to you in some form or another. So just say that I have learnt my lessons, and just keep it out of your life and live happy life, right? So if you will be happy, then only give happiness to others. That is very important lesson. So I will explain this statement tomorrow. So till then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing and sharing my videos. I'm highly grateful to all of you, and thank you for all the loves, and with your blessings, I'm sure we will introduce more guests and more surprises. So bye bye. Take care. See you.